Come on, get back up here. There you go. It's him, he for sale right here in the garbage can. Trying to get in the dog food. Not him, he not available. I'm keeping this one. This boy here is available. It's another video that I'm doing of him. G Red Boy Rascal. He's off Bo. Bo is the Belly Mae's sister to Ramrod, and his sire is Buster. And Buster is the first cousin to Miss Blackjack. I'm about to feed y'all, man. A big boned pup. Like I was saying earlier, you can't really see. Come on, boy. You can't really see the. He's like a real red, but you can't really kind of see it that good in my phone with my phone or whatever from my camera. But yeah, this him, man. Man, somebody's gonna be lucky to get their hands on this boy. I'm telling you. And like I say, shipping is shipping not included on it. But if anybody interested though, because I don't think he's gonna last long. I really don't. If anybody interested, you can get at me at 601. Now everybody take a dump. 601-955-2595. All right. That's 601-955-2595.